Hey, Usher. Altercations with Chris and his guys. Chris Brown, Black Joe I. Lesson learned. Don't try to study Chris by Teyana. This was so embarrassing. You was with your guys. You sacrificed your iron jaw like Taylor out sleeping around with you. Look at your eye. You gon' press charges too. Beat you for the same girl. Look at your eye. You gon' press charges too. He beat you in front of your girl.
It's Teyana Taylor fault. Got beat by Chris Brown and his boys. But before you say these hoes gotta learn how to fight. It's Teyana Taylor fault. Got beat by Chris Brown and his boys. But before you say these hoes gotta learn how to fight. All these blogging pages posting the fight.
Hey Chris, man, what's up with them anger issues, man? Like, damn, you like digging holes. I see that about you. You love digging holes. And this one, I don't know if you're gonna come up out of this one. Like, man, see, this is why you pissed off in the first place, cause your attitude. Yeah, take a look. Look around. Look at your mansion. Look at your cars. Look at your jewelry. Look at the money that's coming in. You're gonna let all that go away because of your attitude. Now, what if your partner ain't hold you back? And he would have said, F that, go ahead and handle that deal, or he would have handled that deal. You would have beat up Teyana Taylor, smacked her, pushed her down, got in her face, and they caught that on camera. Shh. You already done lost about 20 million or 30 million or 40 million because your attitude. That's why don't nobody want to rock with you now. That's why, yeah, you started that skating shit and they gave it to Usher. Yeah, how about that? Yeah, now I got on Usher. I was joking with him with the song and all that stuff, but this real with you. Yeah, he took your skating shit, nigga. Yeah, you started that, but they ain't finna let you run it. Don't nobody want to skate with you or rock with you or give you no endorsements. Come on, man. You know that, man. You know I know the truth, man. You still pissed off about that Michael Jackson shit? Cause Teyana Taylor ain't tell you about the Michael Jackson shit, man. Man, let that go, man. Let that go, man. You fumbled the bag. You fumbled the bag, not because of her. It's because the Rihanna situation. You put your hands on females. And what you doing again? Having that same type of attitude. That's how you was talking to Rihanna. Now you gonna jump on Usher, your teammate? I want to say he threw you a party. He got the right to say something to you. He ain't call you no bitch ass nigga. Come on, man. Knowing them Pyru niggas be talking to you way more heavier than that. They're extorting you. You ain't got that same energy with them gang members because you need them. So you gonna pay them. You gonna pay them to have an image. Come on, man. You gonna put your hands on Usher like that shit cool. Not cool. Yeah, you know you done fumbled the bag. Yeah, you'll do your little shows and features on it. You know what I'm talking about. The real big bag. You wonder why, yeah, you more relevant. Yeah, but he getting all the endorsement deals. You know what I'm saying? He getting the big commercials or this company or that company. I'm just naming stuff. He getting it all instead of you, even though you got more influence with the youth. They know you more, they listen to you more, but don't nobody want to spend no money with you. Because the shit you got on your title, that you got on your jacket, now you got to add this. Now you got to add this right here. Come on, man. You think that shit cool. But you want to be a rapper or something? You want to be a gangster or something? Yeah, you know, they're always going to accept your application. You know that. You know the streets are always going to accept you, so you know you ain't going to make it. You know a nigga going to tell on you, going to rob you. As soon as you know, get into that life a little bit more, they're going to backdoor you. They're going to break in your house. Come on, man. That lifestyle ain't for you, man. Now you like, fuck it now. You know what I'm saying? Because you can't control your anger. You control everything else in life but that anger. So the rest of the shit don't mean nothing. So what? You can pull out and not come in that hole, or do this, or you can fight, or you know, you can maintain your money, but you can't control your anger, so you losing M's. You losing endorsement deals. You gonna get tired of doing shows and working hard like a artist that can't get no endorsement deals, and you the artist that can get them. You a superstar. You finna lower yourself back down to a level B artist. You an A+. The Rihanna shit took you down from an A+ to an A or a B+. Now you a B- or a C+. When Usher get done with you. And Teyana Taylor gonna make the phone calls too. Oh man. And it ain't hard to blackball you. Go ahead and call the baby and say, bro, how you deal with this shit, man? I can't go, cause the baby, he can deal with it way better. You know what I'm saying? He can deal with it way better. But you in way more hot waters than him. You know what I'm saying? Like, his a little small blackball. Yours, see, a lot of fans and stuff still love you because you an R&B singer, so that's different from a rapper. It's easy to hate a rapper, you know what I'm saying? But with you singing and, you know what I'm saying, making hoes fall in love and shit, so, you know, you got your way with that a little bit more. But you'll be that artist that you're gonna be 40 or 50 still performing. Yeah, you're doing tours and shit, but yeah, that's how you're gonna get your main source of income instead of doing a whole bunch of commercials and, you know what I'm saying, with your feet kicked up. You don't see the OGs, man, they ain't touring all year. They ain't got to do that Snoop. His feet kicked up. Corona, they gonna call him. This endorsement deal, that endorsement deal, they gonna call him. He ain't got to drop an album or doing club shows and doing all that there. Nah, man, because he ain't blackball. He loved by everybody. They can put Snoop in front of anything because he ain't got what you got, an attitude. See, you took that class. What happened? D, I won't do drugs. Ah, you didn't listen to that. A, I won't have an attitude. Ah, we can stop right there. But we got to be fair and look at it from Chris Brown's standpoint. He can feel like, hey, nigga, shit, we on the same team. Like, it's my party. You supposed to be on my side, nigga. How you gonna side with her? You supposed to be talking to her. What you talking to me for? You talking to me, you can be talking to me. That mean you supposed to be cussing her out too. You talking to me. Like, I ain't trying to hear that. So you side with her, you die for her. You get beat for her. You go to war for her. Yeah. Because you stood up for her. So you got to be thinking like that. What you mean? Especially on the alcohol. Yeah. So you sign with her and y'all don't eat off the same plate. Nigga, sometimes we eat off the same plate. Yeah, man, we make money together, man. I thought we was friends. So, but people could think that he jealous of Usher. But really, he probably ain't jealous of Usher. Nah, he probably feel like he better than Usher already. He just mad. And it look like hate. But he really mad, though. You know what I'm saying? Because he had the whole world in his hands. And he passed the ball. He had it in his hand. He passed it. But that ain't really helped you, though. Like, you may look like you in shape on the outside, but on the inside, but you toe down, you can't control your anger. You know what I'm saying? That was the wrong place. Like, you could have just told her to leave. You probably did, but you said it the wrong way. So she ain't gonna take no disrespect. Like, especially if like anybody else telling her to leave and security ain't telling her to leave. It's just you know, raising hell. What if you would have said it a little bit better or somebody over there that said, and yeah, she would have left. She would have gave you that, you know. Because it's your party. If it wasn't for that, then she ain't leaving. I'm thinking, you know, maybe not though, but you came the ignorant way, so she just looking at you crazy. But you gonna pull that move off. She didn't think you would do something like that. If it was like that, then she probably would have left, but yeah, you flipped, man. Like, you better hope that tape don't come out. Because Usher may not want to press charges, but then the state may pick it up. You know what I'm saying? So they start making them phone calls to label, like, nah, he a problem. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have fans picking at Usher and he got beat up. Nah, like, he a problem. That's our cash cow. Chris is too, but, you know, he get a lot of endorsement deals to make us look good. So, you know how they talk, you know what I'm saying? I ain't saying they'll say all that word for word, but yeah, man. But I do like how y'all keeping the G on both ends, though. You and Usher. You know what I'm saying? Like, Usher ain't said nothing. Like, he's still smiling. He's still performing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't rough him up too bad. Nothing that the makeup can't fix. You know what I'm saying? Same shit with you. Y'all still performed at the festival. Well, Chris Brown came to your festival. So, yeah, money's still good. Like, but you still got the behind the scenes. Like, what happened. So the phone calls still can get made. But like, you know, a lot of people, they don't pay attention, but you losing a lot of endorsements behind that right there. They just added more salt on your name, man. Like, damn, you a snail right now, man. You can't take no salt. You a snail. Like, you tripping, man. But, you know, make it look good. You know, the fans will be like, oh, they got to be still cool, or ain't nothing really go down too crazy. But nah, it's behind the scenes. Oh, yeah. It's always behind the scenes. Man, Usher sitting back thinking you rocking with him, but the whole time you hating on him, or you jealous, or you feel some type of way. Come on, man. This nigga really rocking with you, but you waiting for your moment to swing on him. You been wanting to swing on him. You been wanting to beat his ass. You know, I don't know if it's one-on-one, but you been wanting to stump him out, punch him out. Come on, man. That's your teammate, your label mate, man. You're on the same team. I don't know if it's the same team or the same label, but I know it's one of them things. I know y'all connected. You know what I'm saying? Y'all supposed to be rocking with each other, man. Come on, man. Y'all trying to turn the R&B industry into the rap shit, man. Like, that shit cool. Like, we want to see that. Y'all trying to turn R&B into the rap game, and then you're going to do it with a legend, an OG. If you're going to do that, do it with the young niggas. Do it with Trey Songz. Do it with Trey Songz. Don't do it with no Usher, man. Come on, man. Now, I can see if you really disrespected, he ain't do that. You drunk, so whatever you say, and you could be high, so whatever you say, we can't really take that as to be the truth. Like, nah. I see that you retarded. I know you a smacker hoe, no problem. Oh yeah. You done whooped women before Rihanna. Ain't no way, a legend. Ain't no way, man. Your attitude too turned. Like, you can't control nothing. You don't care about nothing. So why get you a Versace deal? Why let you walk for this company? Why would they give you a $10 million deal with Gatorade or Red Bull or, I'm just naming shit, you know what I'm saying? Why? Why not give it to Usher? You may sell a product a little bit faster, but it's still gonna get sold fast. So, yeah, you may have 6-speed, Usher got 5-speed, or it could be the same, you know? Motherfuckers don't care. As long as there's a celebrity on it, they don't care. That's why it's so easy to replace you. People don't care, fans don't care. They don't just love you. You can't be blackballed or replaced because you light skinned, because you got tattoos, because you can sing, because you can dance, because you can fight, because you gangbang. Like what? Because you got hit records. Why? They did it to R. Kelly. You think you better than him? They did it to Michael Jackson. You think you better than him? Like, why you a real light-skinned nigga. Like, you in your feelings, man. That wasn't the time for that shit. You could have checked her another time, man. You'll see her again. You ain't gonna do nothing. You just want to cuss her out. Yeah, you don't feel no type of way like that. You ain't that crazy. Drop a bag. You know what? They'll take the hit. They'll take the hit. You got the Pyrus around you. You got them 5-star niggas around you. Yeah, you got the 5-star niggas around you. Yeah, drop the bag on them. You got the money, right? You mad, right? Drop the bag on Usher. Why you playing? Why you playing? Yeah, you mad, right? You wanna fight? You losing M's anyway. You might as well lose it in the court system. If you get caught. If they could put it together. You might as well spend that on a lawyer. Yeah. Like, what you doing? What's the difference? It's just like you being a convicted felon. You can't get no job except doing the show. You can't get no job. You losing M's. You might as well have another assault on a female on the record. You might as well. Ain't nobody rocking with you. None of them real big companies. Just think, man. You done lost 100 million. I don't care what you say. You done lost about 50 to 100 M's with all the endorsement deals and different tours and a lot of shit, man. I'm telling you, man. Movies. It could have been a whole bunch of shit, man. Yeah. The elite know what I'm talking about. The elite know at least 50. You know what I'm saying? If I'm tripping, at least 40. Because you a superstar. I'm saying 100. Somewhere around there. You know what I'm saying?